What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video from your girl Cece here. Today's video, you'll see that I am doing another wig installation. This wig is a curly unit opposed to the straight bob unit you saw me in the last time. This one is a curly unit. I did not wash it right out the box. Actually, I just wet it and I just wetted to get the curl pattern going, and I set the curls with several different products you'll see in the video. This unit, I'm not quite sure when I purchased it, but I found the unit when I was cleaning out my office and I seen I had a package that I've never opened it, and voila, here's another wig to install. So I said, well, let me make a video on how I install this unit. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this unit was a little challenging for me, one of my most challenging units to install, but I think it came out pretty good. So, here's the front, laid it down. Look at her. And then the back. See how the back lays. And so, yeah, I think this is like your girl boss wig, you about your business wig, you get ready to close the deal wig, okay? So this is that wig that you can do all those things with, and plus it's light. Y'all, this is so light, it's bouncy. I like it. Now, this is not your throw on everyday wig like the last one I reviewed. So if you're interested in seeing how I install this unit, continue watching the video. Talk to you soon. Bye.
All right, guys, so what you see here is I'm holding a wig and I'm actually inspecting the lace, looking at the thickness of the lace and the transparency of it. Typically, when I start to install my wigs, I don't do the cutting, most of the cutting with the wig on my head. I hold it in my hand and try to get as close to the natural sewing line as possible, or the border. Here, I went ahead, I placed it on my head, and I'm noticing that this here is giving bedhead. I am second guessing at this moment if this is something I'm really wanting to tackle, because it's looking kind of crazy. Like I said, this wig has been stuffed in my closet for about 2-3 years, never really opened the package, just came upon it and tried to work with what I have. So I begin by taking my brush, brushing it back, seeing if I can get some definition in the wave pattern. But it's looking like an afro puff right about now. This particular hair, it is soft, but I guess because the way it was packaged, it wasn't packaged to protect the integrity of the actual waves and the curl pattern of the hair. What you see now is I'm checking the parting space to ensure that I have multiple ways that I can part the hair, giving multiple styling options. Also, I went ahead and put some mousse in my hair from Aunt Jackie's mousse product line, and the purpose for the mousse was to, 1, calm down the frizz, and 2, define those waves. Now I went ahead and took my little hot iron to define the edges to get a good look at the hairline, which seemed to match my hairline almost perfectly. All right, in this process, I began clipping my hair back and focusing on laying the lace using the Eden Holden spray. Once I use the Eden Holden spray, the adhesive process begins. Then after that, I start focusing my attention on creating a shape and curl pattern and style for the hair. To do this, I used 3 main products. The first product being Aunt Jackie's Curling Custard, followed by Aunt Jackie's Styling Mousse, then using an activator curl spray with a little bit of water. And when I say these products together helped define the curls and gave this hair body, baby, she is giving. Simply gorgeous. Now, I will let you enjoy the rest of the installation process. Ladies, as you can see, I kept using my hands to manipulate the hair to give more of a curly bob effect. You know, sometimes I tend to surprise myself due to the fact that I am not by any means a professional hairstylist. I never went to school to learn the study of hair styling, hair texture, none of it. Everything you've been seeing me do in this video or previous ones has all been self-taught. If you ever thought about elevating your look by changing your hair, don't ever be afraid to add some clip-ins, extensions, or wigs to make you feel like you are 100% that boss. I want to thank you all for watching my videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and smash that bell. Until the next one, bye-bye.
Call me when you need some, call me when